Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have original function that's about y. First derivative of the function that's about first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So I will put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of this one in here. The integral of s over s squared plus 1, you will got about 1 over 2 ln of s squared plus 1. So we can put 1 over 2 go inside about natural log in here. And we know that 1 over 2 that is about the square root. E to the power of ln, you will got about the square root of s squared plus 1. So we multiply both sides by this one. So we simplify this one and you got about cos3x. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about product rule of derivative. So first derivative of y, we got about first derivative of u multiplied by v. Later that we got about first derivative of v multiplied by u. So the integration on the left, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one in here, that's about first derivative of this one. So if we do this integration, you will got about uv. That means this one you will got about y multiplied by the square root of s squared plus 1. About this one, you got about 1 over 3 sine 3x plus c. Later that we divide both sides by this one and we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.